Hello friend, in this video we will discuss about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable concept. Bio means living, degradable means decomposition or breaking down. Biodegradable waste is a type of waste that is typically originated from plants and animal source, which can be degraded by other living organic matter. Refer to the materials or objects which can get easily decomposed in nature by organisms like bacteria. They do not contaminate the natural environments by their presence. Biodegradable wastes are those wastes which can be degraded by natural factors like microbes, bacteria, fungi, and abiotic elements like temperature, rainfall, light, oxygen, etc. Microorganisms and other abiotic factors together contribute towards breaking down complex substances into simpler organic matters. These substances eventually suspend and fade into the soil. The whole process is natural and it may take slow and sometimes very rapid process. So this is the pictures of biodegradable waste. It is a dry leaf, vegetables and fruit peels, egg shell, paper and leftover food items. This waste can be converted into compost and used as manure. This will reduce the amount of garbage. Biodegradable waste are papers and the kitchen items that is generated in your home, right? So non-biodegradable is a waste materials like polythene bag, nails, aluminum and pins, glass, rubber, chemical or construction waste from building materials or wood that cannot be broken down and which can also be recycled. Tire, electronic items are non-biodegradable substance or waste. These non-biodegradable objects or materials are those which do not easily decompose by natural factors. It is a kind of waste that cannot be decomposed by the biological process. Most of the inorganic or plastic and artificial waste are non-biodegradables. They can be recyclable waste and they can be non-recyclable waste. Most of them are non-recyclable waste, making them extremely harmful to the environment and other human health. So what can we do? We can reduce, reuse and recycle. So how to reduce waste generation is three processes, that is reduce. We should try to reduce the amount of waste that is generated in our daily life or in our daily household. We tend to have more things than necessary, which result into accumulation of unwanted things. For instance, use papers for packing, utilize paper napkins instead of disposable one. Buy things only when necessary. Reuse. Most of the everyday items can be reused because our home we have a lot of things that can be reused. So utilizing them in different manner will help to save the money and reduce waste generation in our home or locality. The old clothes that have in our home can also become cushion cover and cloth bags. Your toothpaste, old toothpaste at home can also be used as a cleansing aids or cleaning aids. Juice bottle can also be used as a water bottle instead of purchasing another bottle. So there's a lot of things that we can do. Your glass jar and bottles can become kitchen storage materials. So these are some process how we can reuse the materials at home that is locally available in your own kitchen and in your own locality. Another is recycle. This is the best way of saving the waste and environment together. Recycle is the best method to deal with the environmental problems like plastic is one of the best methods which do not easily decompose. The only way to make them less harmful is to reuse the plastic or by recycling as much as possible. The plastic bags must be replaced by cloth and jute bags. It is encouraged that in the many rural peoples they can try to encourage instead of purchasing a lot of plastic bag, they can try to make a cloth or jute bags. Disposable plastic and bottles must also be used to grow plants. at your home there is a lot of water bottles or disposal bottles and plastic that can also be used for growing plants. Find only recyclable plastic, or avoid water bottles. Buy enough more water bottle from outside. Instead, carry your own bottle if you go to market, if you go somewhere, instead of buying another water bottles that create a lot of pollutions, because plastic is a non-biodegradable waste. So if you use the plastic bottle that is available at home to use as a water bottle instead of purchasing one that make a more environmental friendly. So these are some process how you can reduce, reuse and recycle in order to generation of the waste at your home. So these are some basic idea about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We shall meet in the next upcoming video. Thank you everyone for watching the video.